Good morning. Today, a snowy one to start off our Monday. Just what we didn't need for that Monday morning commute is to have to watch out for slick spots and snowflakes reducing our visibility. Fargo, it's easing up a little bit in our view on our sky cam as we're looking down toward the interchange between I-94 and University. But there's snow, fresh snow on the roads, and you can see the tire tracks in the more traveled I-94. But there are a lot of places, those on and off ramps, intersections that are going to be extra slick, and even on the interstates and highways. We're looking at some travel conditions that might be icy or snowy. Anywhere you see purple, that's where we have snow-covered roads. Much of Highway 2 included in that here in North Dakota. Devil's Lake had a fresh coating of snow, though things have quieted for you for now, down to Fargo, and then Wahpeton, Breckenridge as well. And then into Minnesota, same thing. We've got some areas with some snow-covered roads as well, partially to completely covered in spots, and both DOTs out taking care of the snow on the ground here. Here's a look at the latest. You can see southeastern North Dakota is starting to quiet down, or has been quiet this entire time. Fargo's right on the edge of this snow as it moves to the south and east. Lakes Country down to Wahpeton, Breckenridge getting some snow still. Detroit Lakes, it's ramping up for you. And in Monoman, we've been seeing that snow coming down as well. And then stretching northward, we're looking at this clearing from Devil's Lake. Grand Forks, we'll see this wind down shortly, but right now, Grand Forks County, many places still dealing with it. Where you see those darker streaks of blue, that's where some of our heavier bands are and where you're getting the bigger flakes right now. So let's put this into motion to give you an idea of the movement. It's basically dropping northwest to southeast along this clipper that's sweeping through. It's fast moving at least, but this is going to be impactful for us here for the next couple of hours, and there may even be more snow to the north and west. I'll move the camera view here just a little bit. You can see some flakes up in southern parts of Manitoba, and we can't rule out the potential for a little bit more of that. Temperatures ranging from some teens up in the northeast to even 33 in Jamestown. So you can see there's a boundary going on here, and right along where things are changing up between temperature or air masses, that's where we're dealing with that clipper and the snow. So here's a look at our winds. They're not too strong. We've got one gust in Sisseton that's at 37. So that's your stronger gust there. Elsewhere, it's quieter. And wind chills that are, we're into the single digits. You're going to want your heavier coat and your snow boots in a lot of places today. A look at your hour-by-hour planner. Expect to have those snow showers continuing to drop to the south and east this morning. Eventually by 3 o'clock, most of us winding down. Still can't rule out a few flakes or maybe even a little drizzle on the warm side of the valley, where we're more into the 30s in the south today. Up north, our highs will be more into the 20s for the region. Heading into tonight, we're quieting things down and cooling down. We'll end up into the teens tomorrow morning. So snowfall potential, this is updated a little bit, but we're looking at anywhere from nothing at all, if you're not in the path of this, to maybe a couple of inches of snow total with this system moving through. Look at your 7-day planner. Temperatures will be in the 30s the next couple of days. By the time we get to Wednesday, we're looking at some 40s returning. Next chance for precipitation coming up late Thursday night and heading into your early Friday.
All right. Thank you, Lisa.